Jackie, a Live Life Aberdeenshire librarian. It's Climate Week, and library assistant Jade has made a film to show you how to make a windmill using a recycled milk carton. Follow Jade's simple instructions to make these for your garden. We also have information about climate change you can read available from our digital library. The link to the information will be provided at the end of this film. We hope you find the information useful in raising your awareness regarding climate change and things you can do to reduce your carbon footprint.
So for today's craft, you will need a milk bottle. You will need to make sure that you clean this out thoroughly and remove any sticky labels first. You will also need a wooden pencil or something similar, some coloured marker pens, some super glue, a drawing pin, and a pair of scissors. Remember, if you are using scissors, please make sure you have an adult with you to help and make sure you are holding them correctly. First, you will need to cut out the side panel of the milk bottle. This step can be quite tricky, so you may need to ask an adult to help you. You should now have something that looks like this. You will then need to take a black marker pen and draw a square onto the panel. You can choose to make this however big or small you like, then carefully cut this out. You will want to draw a dot in each corner of the square. You will need to draw small dotted lines going from each corner towards the centre, making sure you leave a gap. Then carefully cut across each dotted line like so. Next, you will need to fold every second corner of each triangle towards the centre. This step can be quite fiddly, so just take your time. You should now have a pinwheel shape like this. You will then need to carefully push your drawing pin through each section until it is secure. You can now secure your windmill onto the pencil. This step is optional, however, if you would like to make sure that it is extra secure, you can apply a thin layer of super glue onto the pencil and then push the pin into the pencil where you place the glue. And there you go, you have created the windmill. You can now decorate this using coloured pens. Get as creative as you like with this step. And there you have it, the finished windmill. You can now plant this outside in the soil and watch it in action as the wind takes it for a spin. I hope you've enjoyed making this craft. If you would like to send us any pictures of your finished windmill, please do and send it to the email on the screen below. We would love to see how they look. Thanks for watching!